Hello everyone! In this session, we will show you how to process new messages. In this video, SKYVVA introduces a new message architecture that separates message ingestion from message processing. This gives you greater flexibility and control over how and when messages are processed. Let's see how it works. SKYVVA Processing Mode. The diagram introduces 3 SKYVVA message processing modes, designed for different business scenarios. 1. Real-time processing, current mode. Messages are ingested and processed immediately in real time. The flow is: when a message arrives, SKYVVA immediately processes the message through the processing engine. After processing, the message ends with either completed or failed status. There is no waiting or new status before processing. It is ideal for real-time scenarios where instant data synchronization is critical. Key advantages: instant processing. Messages are handled as soon as they arrive. High performance, designed for fast, real-time data availability. Proven and reliable, the established SKYVVA processing approach. Best for use cases requiring instant updates and real-time visibility. 2. On-demand processing, new message ingestion mode. Messages are stored first instead of being processed immediately. The stored message has status equals new. Processing starts only when the user manually triggers process now. The flow is: message arrives, store message, status equals new, process now. This gives users control over when messages should be processed. Key advantages: full control, start processing whenever you are ready. Flexible, choose what, when, and how to process. Batch handling, suitable for larger volumes of messages. Easy retry. Messages can be processed again when needed. Best for use cases that require flexibility and control over message processing. 3. Scheduled processing, new message ingestion mode. Messages are also stored first. Instead of manually starting the processing, a scheduler triggers it automatically. The flow is: message arrives, store message, scheduler triggers, processed, completed, or failed. Processing runs according to the configured schedule. Key advantages: automated, runs automatically based on the schedule. Predictable, processing occurs consistently at the configured time. Hands-off operation, reduces manual processing and improves efficiency. Best for use cases that benefit from automated, time-based processing. Summary. The bottom of the diagram summarizes the main purpose of each mode. 1. Real-time processing, fast and immediate. 2. On-demand processing, flexible and in control. 3. Scheduled processing, automated and predictable. All 3 modes provide different ways to process SKYVVA messages. You can choose the processing mode that best fits your integration and business scenario. Let's move on to the demonstration. In this demo, we'll focus on new message processing. If you'd like to learn how new messages are created for inbound and outbound interfaces, we also have a video on the SKYVVA YouTube channel titled, "How are new messages created for inbound and outbound?" First, navigate to the Integration Detail page. Next, open the Interface tab. Here, you can see an inbound interface with messages in the new status. Now, go to the Message Monitor tab to verify the messages. As you can see, there are 2 messages with the new status. Next, return to the Interface tab. Select the interface that contains the new messages, then click Interface Message Processing. Click OK to start processing. The messages will be processed in the background. Now, return to the Message Monitor tab and click Apply Filter to refresh the results. You can see that one message has changed from new to completed, while the other has changed from new to failed. Once processing is complete, the new messages are updated with their final processing status. The final processing result can be either completed, success, failed, error. First, navigate to the Interface Group tab. Here, you can see an inbound interface group that contains two interfaces with messages in the new status. Next, go to the Message Monitor tab to verify the messages. As you can see, there are 3 messages with the new status across the two interfaces. Now, go back to the Interface Group tab. Select the interface group that contains the new messages. Then click Interface Group Message Processing. Click OK to start processing. The messages will be processed in the background. Next, return to the Message Monitor tab and click Apply Filter to refresh the results. You can see that the messages have been processed. Some messages have changed from new to completed, while others have changed from new to failed, depending on the processing result. Once processing is complete, all new messages are updated with their final processing status. First, navigate to the Integration Detail page. Next, open the Message Monitor tab to verify the messages. As you can see, there are multiple messages with a new status from both inbound and outbound interfaces. Now, go back to the Integration Detail page. Click Integration Message Processing. Click OK to start processing. The messages will be processed in the background. Next, return to the Message Monitor tab and click Apply Filter to refresh the results. You can see that the messages have been processed. Some messages have changed from new to completed, while others have changed from new to failed, depending on the processing result. Once processing is complete, all new messages are updated with their final processing status. First, navigate to the Scheduler page. SKYVVA provides 3 scheduler types for message processing. Message execution per integration. Message execution per interface group. Message execution per interface. In this demo, we'll use message execution per integration as an example. Find the Message Execution per Integration scheduler for your integration group. Click the clock icon to configure the schedule. Set the frequency to every minute and the interval to 5 minutes. Then click Save. Next, click Start to activate the scheduler. The scheduler is now running every 5 minutes and will automatically process new messages. After the scheduler has run, return to the Message Monitor tab and click Apply Filter to refresh the results. You can see that the messages have been processed. Some messages have changed from new to completed, while others have changed from new to failed, depending on the processing result. Summary. In this video, we introduced the new SKYVVA Message Architecture. This new architecture separates message ingestion from message processing, giving you more flexibility and control over how messages are processed. You learned how messages are stored with a new status and ready can be processed later, either manually or automatically using a scheduler. We also demonstrated message processing options. Interface message processing processes new messages for a single interface. Interface group message processing processes new messages for all interfaces within an interface group. Integration message processing processes new messages for all interfaces within an integration. Scheduler processing automatically processes new messages at scheduled times. By the end of this video, you should now understand how the new SKYVVA Message Architecture provides flexible, reliable, and scalable message processing downtime. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.